Hi guys! Look! My fish tank is all empty! We need to fill it up with some new animals! Let's go! This is a pufferfish! Wow, look at the yellow and blue eyes! Did you know that pufferfish inflate themselves to make themselves look bigger? That's really cool! Let's put it in our tank! This is a jellyfish. I love the blue clear color. Did you know that jellyfish are made of 95% water? That's really cool. Let's dive this guy back into his home. This is a starfish. I love the pink and yellow patterns. We can count all 5 limbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Did you know that not all starfish have 5 limbs? That's insane! Let's put it in our fish tank. This is the Goblin Shark. Did you know that Goblin Shark's snouts, they snap out like a slingshot to grab their prey? That's really scary, but also really cool. Let's put this fascinating little guy into our fish tank. Hey, look what I found. It's a boxfish. Doesn't it look like it's about to kiss the screen? Mwah! Did you know that boxfish have the box shape due to fused scales? That's really cool. Let's add our little boxfish to our aquarium. This is a Macaroni Shark. Wow, that bright blue looks great. Did you know that mako sharks are warm-blooded? Yeah, that's really cool considering that most fish are cold-blooded. Let's add this warm-blooded animal to our fish tank. This is a lemon shark. Wow, it's yellow just like a lemon. Did you know that lemon sharks have this yellow tan skin so that they can blend in with sand? That's really cool. Let's add it into our fish tank. This is a stingray. Wow, I love the white patterns on its back. Don't they look great? Did you know that stingray not only use electricity as a self-defense, but they also use it to find their food? That is really cool. Let's add this stingray to our fish tank. This is a lobster. Wow, the coloration looks great. And look at those strong pinchers. Did you know that lobsters can regenerate limbs just like the starfish? That's really cool. Let's add it into our fish tank. This is a sea turtle. Look at that brown and orange. Doesn't it look great? Did you know that some sea turtles actually eat jellyfish? Whoa, that's super cool. Let's add it into our fish tank. Yeah! Look what I found! It's a crab! Did you know that crabs have really strong pinchers? Isn't that super cool? Let's add it into our fish tank.
Yeah!
Look what I found! It's a beaver! Did you know that beavers' teeth never stop growing? That's why they chomp on so much wood to file down their teeth. Wow, that's great! Let's add the beaver into the water.
Yeah!
This is a butterfly fish. Do you know how they got their name? Well, butterfly fish actually glide through the water like butterflies do in air. That's why they are named butterfly fish. Let's let this butterfly fish glide through our fish tank.
Yeah!
This is an electric ray. Did you know that electric rays have specialized teeth so that they can crush shellfish to eat? That's really cool. And they can generate electricity. Let's put it in our fish tank.
Yeah!
This is a cichlid fish. Wow, look at that coloration, the red, the blue, and the black. Did you know that cichlid fish are a common house fish? That means you can buy them at the pet store. Let's add this fish to our fish tank.
Yeah!
This is a great white shark. Did you know that great white shark, like stingrays, can use electricity to detect prey? That's really cool. Let's add this cool hunting creature into our aquarium.
Yeah!
Wow, I found a shark ray. Did you know that shark rays can change color to camouflage? That's really cool. Let's add it into our fish tank. This is a clownfish. Clownfish got their name clownfish because they wear a bunch of bright colors. And clownfish have a symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. That's really cool. Let's add this orange little guy into our fish tank. Look, my fish tank is full again. Wow, we filled it up with so many different creatures, ranging from the color red to the color purple. It looks great. If you liked my video, please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!